In our series Classic Lines in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery Part 8, today we are going to discuss on Langer's lines. Langer's line or Langer lines of skin tension, or sometimes called cleavage lines, are topological lines drawn on the map of the human body. They are parallel to the natural orientation of collagen fibers in the dermis and generally parallel to the underlying muscle fibers. These are Langer's lines and they are usually parallel to the orientation of collagen fibers in the dermis and generally parallel to the underlying muscle fibers. Clinical significance of Langer's lines are the incisions made parallel to Langer's line may heal better and produce less scarring than those that are cut across. Conversely, incisions perpendicular to Langer's line have a tendency to pucker and remain obvious. So when we are making incision, we have to make it parallel to the Langer's line. When it is perpendicular, it can produce puckering and can remain obvious. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.